Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to know if your message was delivered and read on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and tap on Chats. This will bring up your list of conversations where you can see all your recent message threads and contacts. Now tap on the contact you want to check message status for. This will open your conversation with that person where you can both send messages and track their delivery status. Go ahead and type any message you'd like and send it. This is where Signal's message status indicators come into play, and they're actually quite straightforward once you know what to look for. After sending your message, pay attention to the small check marks that appear next to it. If you see 2 checks, this means your message has been delivered to their phone. The message has successfully reached their device, but they haven't necessarily opened or read it yet. This is an important distinction because delivery doesn't equal engagement. Now, if you see 2 filled or colored checks instead, this means your message has been read. However, there's an important catch here. This read confirmation will only appear if both you and the other person have read receipts enabled in your settings. If either of you has disabled this feature for privacy reasons, you won't see the read status even if they've actually opened and read your message. Alternatively, if you want to see even more detailed information about your message status, Signal gives you a deeper look. Press and hold your message until a menu appears, then tap the info icon, which looks like an IMTEM symbol. This will open up a detailed view where you'll see the exact sent, delivered, and read times for that specific message. This is particularly useful if you need to know precisely when someone received or opened your message, rather than just seeing the basic check marks. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to track whether your messages have been delivered and read on Signal, giving you better insight into your conversations. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.